When po, yesterday we were able to witness the presentation of our good Vice Mayor. At kayat namin po, there should be peace and order within the city of Laoag. It is alarming for a person to fire his firearm inside a restaurant or bar. This bar apo at agpaputok ka, mabalin nga ada maaksidente. Especially dito bar apo pagturturugan ti banda di second floor, gasang-gasat awan met na aksidente ka di jay ada na recover ti kapulisan tayo nga empty shell based on the CCTV that we were able to watch apo, hindi nagresponde that. But of course, awan nagyayit maseknan idin. Now, anak at tilinteg tayo. According to the Vice Mayor, rakit hanga mabali nag-isarek ti paltog ije oneg ti beer house. That is correct. That is really very correct. Apay, siyempre ada paltog mo nakainom ka, baka agbaling ka nga trigger happy. Aya, iso ada linteg tayo nga talaga may parit nag-isarek ti paltog ti oneg ti beer house at for obvious reason. Your mental faculty is already impaired and you are holding a firearm inside that. Di modilat pinagkitkira tayo taong kit, bang, kunamo na. So that is what we are trying to avoid. The Vice Mayor stated that at kayat na met nga masigurado met ti protection ti tao at Laoag City, and we would like to boost the economy of Laoag City. At dito napasama ken ape ada nakastrek nga paltog nga umininom. Ang kadi nga alarming data, ang kadi ada makungkuna nga oplan bakal ti kapulisan tayo. Anyam during that time nakit handamet nga 24 hours nga agbanbantay ti beer house apo, so di jaget random nga obrayan na. Iso ada nagisarek. Ang peso ada security guard anyam nakapuslit latameten. So that is something that we need to address nga dapat makastrek ti paltog iti beer house nga dagiti inumakit isang rekda. That is really very wrong and danger to the public. Second apo, akit the Vice Mayor stated that di nga tao akit nagbaliman nga viral in the past. If you could recall my statement before, akit ti bagbagak idikwa ti kakastoy nga tao akit hanga dapat makaigyam ti paltog apo no violente ka gapota you might be able to harm others if you could not control your temper. So deto yan napasamak talaga DJ fear ko idi siya met tinagsao ada paltog nagputok akit anak at tilinteg tayo hanga mabalin agigem ti paltog dagijay haan nga makontrol ti emotions na akit no violent akit automatic nga dapat nga makigem ti paltog. But what happened? I do not know what the PNP resorted to ang kuamo. So that is something that should be investigated by the PNP. I'm expecting nga DJ na-recovered nga empty shell lakit. Mapanda ipakita ti FEO. Takitanda no ana nga paltog tinagapuan na no adamet la ijay database na DJ so that they will do the necessary actions apo and investigation and possible prosecution apo or the revocation of the license among others apo. So that is our intention. I support the action of the Vice Mayor to maintain Laoag City peaceful and orderly by way of eradicating or reducing people holding firearms nga rebeng nga dapat nga gigema po.